Walrus, we're getting ready to do some fishing at Flat Rock YMCA camp. So it's cane pole fishing, and we'll be back in just a few seconds. Lots of bluegill waiting to be caught right here. Here we go. These guys are cane pole fishing. And alright. Slide it in there, and as soon as you feel it tight, pull it up. Oh, he's already got it.
Yeah, they all got it.
Alright.
I'm gonna do it on the dam.
There you go. Fish will come. There's that big snapper. You got it? Oh. Okay. Oh, bring it up here. Oh, there's one. Nice catch, guys.
Whoa, his head is huge.
Yeah, don't put your hooks near him.
That turtle is huge. Look at him.
Just feeding the turtle. There he is, big guy. Good job.
He's huge.
Yeah.
You see that huge turtle?
There he is. Whoop.
No, put it under there.
No, he's a common snapper. Nice catch, dude.
I almost hooked myself twice today.
Yeah, it's not as huge as it was, but we're getting there.
Look at that turtle. That's more than he seems.
Hey, guy.
Huge.
He's
See how big that turtle is?
all right. Fish out there away from the turtle. Here you go.
Watch the big turtle. Watch him.
Yeah. All right. I've got him on the GoPro, but oh, he's coming up close here. There you go. Yep, they ate your bait.
How bad is that? How big are they? Just one bite. You're taking all my bait. You're using it all.
Oh, you have plenty.
That's a huge turtle.
Yep, he's moving on. We learned about turtles. We learned about fish.
The catfish is under there. Yeah, I just saw it. You have to pay attention.
Yeah. Just saw that big cat. There's the big catfish right there. Not sure if you can see it out there, but he's trying to scoop up those bluegill. And we just lost our light. Oh, it came back. There he is, right there under the water. Yep, he's a big channel cat.
He went out there.
Yep. He's trying to eat all these little bluegill. There he is. Yep. We don't want to catch that guy because it'll break the pole. Alright guys, let's see how you do. Need a little help? Here we go. Alright. So we're gonna... Yep. Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm taking the bread and I'm making a bread ball. I'm recording all the fishing. Should be awesome. No, just the fishing today. I promised my viewers a fishing video, so yeah, my subscribers. Alright, here you go. Careful not to cross lines, guys. Hey, there we go. Just drop her down in there. Look at all the bluegill. watching it go. Now drop it in there a little bit deeper. Oh, there was that catfish. Oh, they took it off your hook. I gotcha. Alright. I gotcha. Yep. Here we go. Oh, it's come on. Get your fins out. There we go. Oh, thank you. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a... Come here. There we go. Nice gentle release. And he's off. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to try my hand at it before the next group of kids come. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, that was a catfish. I tried to get it out there quickly. Oh. Catfish, little one. About 1.5 pounds. Alright. And here we go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh my gosh. That's not gonna happen. Here we go. You got one. Here, I'll put it down for you. There you go. Now, hold the line, just like that. There you go. Now you get a good picture going. Bring him up. Bring him up. Oh, nope, that is a big bluegill. That is a big bluegill, dude. Yeah, this one you gotta definitely kiss. That's a sandwich right there.
I'll do it. You owe me $5 if I actually do it. Can I kiss it?
There you go. Wouldn't kiss it. Okay, so I'm back to throw the cast net again. Figure we might have a little bit better luck this time. Here's the spot. See. Nothing on that first one. I didn't really get a good spread though. That's a little better. at the other side. Maybe there's something be over here. Turned out to be a bit of a bust on the old calf netting front. But fun to do anyway. A big old bunch of nothing. Maybe I'll have to throw a little farther out. That was awful. Turned upside down on itself. Oh, but we caught a crawdad in this one. And looks like we got something else in here too. Nice little sucker. Yeah. Be free. Oh, come here, you guy. Too small to eat. I don't have a bucket to put you in for bait. And he got me. Alright, so they're a little bit farther out today.